Scratches from high heels or shoes can seriously mess up your floors, but there are simple ways to keep your home looking fresh without stressing too much. So, first off, try to get everyone on board with taking their shoes off when they come inside. You know how much damage those sharp heels and hard soles can do, especially on hardwood or laminate floors. If shoe removal is a no-go for some folks, grab some cushy, non-slip rugs or mats near entrances to catch dirt and prevent scrapes. Also, use felt pads or furniture coasters under chairs and tables so when people shuffle around, the floors stay safe. Regularly cleaning your floors with the right products makes a big difference too. Avoid harsh chemicals that can dull finishes and use gentle cleaners instead. Consider putting a "no shoes" sign near the door as a friendly reminder that helps create good habits without sounding bossy. If you have pets, keep their nails trimmed because those can scratch floors just as badly as heels. And hey, if you spot a scratch, don't freak out. There are easy DIY fixes like using a wood repair marker or blending in scratches with a bit of walnut rubbed over the spot. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with scratches from shoes is ignoring prevention. It's way easier to stop damage than fix it later. Another common issue is using the wrong cleaning products that strip floor finishes and make scratches stand out more. Stick to cleaners made for your floor type. Lastly, people often forget about regular maintenance like replacing worn-out felt pads, which means more scratches over time. Make it part of your cleaning routine to check and swap these out. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to flooring or any home repairs. Plus, it helps contractors find good gigs so everyone wins and your home stays looking sharp without the hassle.